So few days back, it was a cloudy night and I was trying to get a shot of the sky and I didn't get any good pictures. Whenever you go out to shoot pictures, you make some mistakes and you end up with some pictures that are blurry or have high noise. Let me show you how you can use them to improve your other photos. Let's say that we want to add noise to this image. So I'm going to use one of those pictures where I increase the ISO so much that it has noise. So I'm going to drag and drop that image on top of it and resize it so that it covers the image. Now it's time to change the blending mode. Change it to overlay. As you can see, the noise is applied to the image. And it's not generated in Photoshop, it's taken from another image. That's why I think it looks so natural. You can change the opacity to increase or decrease the effect. I don't know if you can see the difference, so I will increase the opacity all the way up to 100. So this is before and after. Also, the image was not completely black, so it will change the color or brightness a little bit, but you can fix it by adding adjustment layers. So now let's get to our second image. It's looking good, but let's say that we want to add some more color to it. So I'm going to drag and drop another image from the same night. As you can see, I missed the focus and the clouds are looking blurry and colorful. So I will adjust it according to the image. Now we will have to change the blending mode. Overlay is looking good. Maybe vivid light. We will have to decrease the opacity. I think I prefer the overlay version. Now it looks good. Let me show you another example. So this is our image. As you can see, it looks kind of flat. So we will try to add something to make it look better. This time we will use a good picture. So I'm adding this sunset picture. Now let's change the blending mode. Always remember to adjust the opacity. It's a process of trial and error. You will have to try all the blending modes to see what works the best for the picture. Difference is looking really great. I don't know when this type of effect happens, but I have seen a lot of pictures that were shot on film camera have this kind of effect. I guess it happens when the picture is not scanned properly. So this technique is really great. You can use your pictures that are blurred or have noise in it, or you can also use your good pictures to overlay on the other. So I'm not saying that you should apply this technique on all of your pictures. It won't look good, but in some cases it might improve your picture a lot. So that's it everyone. You can try this technique by yourself, and if it really works, then you can tag me on your post on Instagram at Abhash. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. My name is Abhash. I will see you next time.